Breaking news in the Delphi murders case. We just got a first look at new court filings.
Prosecutors are addressing accusations of how accused killer Richard Allen is being treated while behind bars awaiting his trial. And in those documents, prosecutors acknowledge what guards at the Westville Correctional Facility were wearing and why the defense says that's significant.
Yeah, Rich and I has been looking through those documents all afternoon. He's here now with what it means and what the jury trial still scheduled for January. Is that still happening?
We'll see. Okay. Probably doubtful, honestly. Richard Allen's attorneys have asked the judge again to move him out of the Westville Correctional Facility to a county jail while he awaits trial. He is charged with the 2017 murders of Libby German and Abby Williams. Allen's attorneys believe the girls were killed in a planned abduction and ritualistic sacrifice by Odinists. The defense claims that two prison guards supervising Allen at the prison are Odinists who have threatened, intimidated, and mentally abused him, including monitoring and recording attorney visits with Allen. The attorney suggested Allen confess to the killings in an April phone call to his wife from prison because he feared his wife would be harmed if he did not. In sworn affidavits, the two guards admit that they wore patches on their uniforms that can be associated with Odinism, but they were ordered to remove them by their commander within just the past couple of weeks. Both guards say they do not practice Odinism and they are not part of a radical hate group. They say they have never threatened Richard Allen or had any one-on-one conversations with him. And the warden at the jail says in a sworn affidavit that no one in the prison has ever been ordered to threaten, harass, or put Allen in danger. But the court records say that Allen was tased twice in May for not following the commands of prison guards. And the prosecutor says he is not opposed to Allen being moved to another state, but that the court has already ruled on that and that Allen should be kept where he is at for safekeeping until the trial. The Carroll County prosecutor says the defense continues to make unfounded accusations supported by absolutely no proof. And the judge just ruled this afternoon that the prosecution must turn over all the evidence in this case to the defense by November 1st. The defense has been accusing the prosecution of withholding evidence that points to other suspects. The prosecution says that's just not true. They just have 6 years of evidence in many forms to gather, to go through, and to try to make copies. And that's a lot of stuff, quite honestly, to get to the other side.
There is so much back and forth between the prosecution and the defense. It's so unusual. So what's next?
Well, this is all part of this Odinist alternative theory. It's still all part of Richard Allen's attorneys trying to get his search warrant thrown out, which then could disrupt the whole case or perhaps throw out the whole case. We're still waiting on the judge to decide if she'll even hold a hearing on that issue.
Yeah, that would be really significant. Meanwhile, the trial is supposed to be, what, 3 months away?
Scheduled for January.
Yeah. All right. Rich, thank you.
Thank you so much, Rich. We know that this is a lot, and we'll continue to put more info on our website at WTHR.com. We're also monitoring breaking updates in the Delphi case. We'll have much more on those documents and what these filings mean on 13 News at 5. And as I just mentioned, here you can go to the website here, and we're using the term Odinism. You can look that term up on our website as well.